Bing, paddling pool. Round the corner, not far away, Bing is going paddling today. Sula! Come on, Sula! It's me! Knock, knock. Well, hello, says Amma, opening the door. Someone's in a hurry. Yes, me, says Bing. We're going to the paddling pool and Sula's coming too. Here I am, Bing, laughs Sula, and I've got a new bouncy ball. I'm going to play with it in the water and go splash. What have you got on your head, Bing? My blue goggles, says Bing, and Flop's got a yummy picnic. Indeed. Ooh, what's in the picnic, Flop? Well, let's see. We've got juice drinks, some grapes, yummy biscuits, and I have made some carroty bagels, says Amma. Oh, thank you, Amma. Bing, Sula, and Flop set off down the path. But then, wait a minute, called Amma from the door. Remember that paddling pool is busy, so make sure you can always see Flop and he can see you. Wait a minute. Oh, what is it, Amma? Cries Sula. No running in the pool. Okay, Amma, says Sula. Come on, Bing, let's go. Wait a minute. What is it, Amma? Groaned Sula. Most important of all, smiled Amma, no pee-pee in the pool. I would never pee-pee in the water, giggled Sula. And I won't, promises Bing. Let's go. I love the paddling pool, says Sula. I'm going to splash my ball when I get there, and I'm going to wear my blue goggles, says Bing. Ha ha, Sula, you're all blue. Everything's blue. That's funny. Bing, Sula, and Flop arrive at the paddling pool. Outside, they see a sign with 4 little pictures on it. What does the sign say, Flop? Well, the first picture says you can't splash your ball in the pool, says Flop. Oh, says Sula. This one means no running in the pool because it's slippy, says Bing. And this one means no eating, says Flop. But what about our picnic, Flop? Asks Bing. We won't eat our picnic in the pool, silly. All the carroty bagels would go soggy, giggles Sula. I know what the last one says, Flop, smiles Bing. No pee-pee in the pool. Everybody laughs. Okay, says Flop. Are we ready? Let's go, 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 go. Where is everybody? There's no water, Flop. It seems the pool hasn't been filled up. But it's no fun like this, cries Bing. We can't do anything. Well, are you sure? Asks Flop. The water's not here today, but the pool is. Sula's ball falls into the empty pool. It bounces and Bing runs to fetch it. Boing, boing. No, Bing, called Sula. You can't splash the ball in the pool. But I'm not doing splashing, Sula, laughs Bing, because there's no water. What about running, Flop? Asks Sula. Well, smiles Flop, you can't slip if there isn't any water. I love the paddling pool like this, shouts Bing. Now, says Flop, where shall we have our picnic? Let's have it in the pool. Yummy! Hi, me and Sula went to the paddling pool. Sula brought her bouncy ball, and I wore my blue goggles. But when we got there, all the water was gone, and we were sad. But Flop said we could still play in the pool, and we even had our picnic in it. If you can't do what you want to do, you can do a different thing, and sometimes it's better. The end.